Enchanted paths around. Time for tales where fun is found. Stories shine and wonders gleam in our forest story dream. We're full of cheer. Everyone draw near. Sing and laugh. The magic grows when we share that close. Clap, clap, clap. We're full of cheer. Tap, tap, tap. Everyone draw near. Sing and laugh. The magic grows when we share a tale that glows. Enchanted path around. Time for tales where fun is found. Stories shine and wonders gleam in our forest story dream.
Hello there, bright adventurers and clever grown-ups. Welcome to Enchanted Paws Storytime, where magical tales come alive through the paws of our furry friends. I'm so glad you're here. Get comfy, snuggle in with your favorite blanket, and let your imagination run free. Because right now, we're heading into a world of fun, friendship, and fantastic surprises. Are you ready to explore with us? Let's jump into our story.
The Blizzard Quest of Frozen Secrets. On a wintry morning in Wigglytail Woods, when a biting wind howled through the trees and snowflakes danced wildly in the air, a mighty blizzard swept over the land. The once familiar forest was transformed into a sparkling white wonderland with every branch and boulder cloaked in a thick layer of frost. Ophelia, the ever-curious little grey cat, watched in awe from her favourite windowsill as the storm began its wild performance. Her heart pounded with excitement at the sight of nature's fierce beauty.
Barnabus, Darwin, come quickly. The woods are under a magical blizzard.
She mewed, her voice trembling with anticipation. Barnabus, the gentle giant tabby, who cherished the comfort of his soft blanket near the barn door, slowly stirred at the sound of his sister's excited call. With cautious eyes and a warm purr, he padded outside to witness the spectacle: swirling snow, relentless wind, and a forest that now seemed to be hiding its secret treasures beneath an icy veil. Meanwhile, Darwin, the spirited French bulldog with an unfailing nose for adventure, bounded out, his breath forming little clouds in the frigid air.
Rough! I smell the crisp tang of winter magic,
He barked, tail wagging as he darted about with boundless energy. Before long, the trio gathered a few essentials. A small pouch of Ophelia's cherished cheese tidbits to keep their spirits high, a tender strip of chicken for Barnabus to remind him of warm comforts, and a couple of extra biscuits to fuel Darwin's enthusiastic pace. They set off along a winding snow-laden path, their footprints quickly filling with fresh powder. The familiar sounds of rustling leaves and bird songs were replaced by the soft crunch of snow underfoot and the constant whistle of the wind. As the blizzard grew fiercer, the world around them became an endless expanse of white. The trees bent low under the weight of snow, and the ground sparkled as if dusted with diamonds. Ophelia led the way with her nimble, graceful steps, her eyes shining as she scanned for any sign of hidden wonder amid the frozen chaos. Barnabas followed with measured care, every step a testament to his quiet bravery, while Darwin bounded ahead, occasionally pausing to roll joyously in the soft, powdery drifts, even as the storm's chill whispered around him. Amid the swirling flurries, a glimmer caught Ophelia's eye, a faint, almost otherworldly glow emerging from beneath a mound of freshly fallen snow. "Look!" she exclaimed, her voice a mixture of awe and urgency.
There's something hidden under all this white, like a secret waiting to be discovered.
The trio hurried over, their hearts pounding in unison with the rhythm of the storm. Together, they began to dig, their paws and claws working in unison to remove the heavy, cold blanket of snow. Darwin's enthusiastic barks and Barnabas's gentle encouragement blended with Ophelia's determined mews as they chipped away at the icy cover. Slowly, the snow gave way to reveal the entrance of a narrow, snow-carved tunnel. The air around it was cooler, and a soft, ethereal glow emanated from within, promising secrets of a forgotten world.
"This must be the way to a hidden chamber,"
Barnabus whispered, his cautious tone tempered by wonder. Darwin barked excitedly.
Rough! Let's go see what's inside!
With hearts full of anticipation, the trio squeezed through the tunnel, their path illuminated by the mysterious light flickering along the walls. Inside, they discovered a vast underground chamber carved entirely from ice, where delicate stalactites and stalagmites shimmered like frozen chandeliers. The chamber pulsed with a gentle, magical glow, and every surface was adorned with intricate patterns etched by nature's own hand. In the centre of the chamber stood an ancient, frost-covered pedestal, upon which rested a magnificent, crystalline orb. The orb radiated a soft, mesmerizing light that bathed the room in hues of blue and silver, as if it held the very soul of winter within its shimmering depths. Ophelia stepped forward, her eyes wide with wonder.
This orb! It feels like the heartbeat of the blizzard itself, a treasure of forgotten magic.
Barnabus moved closer, his large paws careful on the icy floor, and murmured,
"It is as if the very essence of Wigglytail Woods is captured here. A reminder that even in the harshest storms, beauty and mystery abound."
Darwin circled the pedestal, his bark soft with awe.
"Rough! I can almost taste the magic of winter in every sparkle of light."
As they marveled at the orb, the chamber seemed to come alive with quiet whispers, faint echoes of laughter and ancient voices mingled with the rhythmic drip of melting ice. The orb pulsed gently, and in that pulsing glow, the trio glimpsed fleeting images. A long-ago festival of snowy merriment, secret celebrations beneath starlit skies, and adventures of brave souls who had once journeyed through the blizzard in search of hidden wonders. Moved by the profound beauty of the moment, the trio sat together in silent reflection. Ophelia closed her eyes, feeling the orb's soft throb resonate with her own heartbeats. Barnabus, his cautious nature softened by the chamber's warm glow, let out a deep, contented purr. Darwin, always full of exuberance, wagged his tail as he added,
Rough! I feel like this magic will guide us to even greater adventures.
Inspired by the orb's quiet song, they carefully retraced their steps through the tunnel, emerging once again into the swirling white of the blizzard. The snowstorm began to ease, its fierce winds softening into a gentle hush, as if bowing in reverence to the secrets they had uncovered. With hearts enriched by the hidden chamber's magic, the trio made their way back along the snow-dusted path toward the familiar embrace of Wigglytail Woods. Back at the barn, as the sky transformed from a wintry grey to the soft pastel hues of early evening, the trio settled into their cherished spots. Ophelia on her sunlit windowsill, Barnabus on his warm, snug blanket, and Darwin curled happily at the door. In the quiet of the night, as dreams of frosted wonders and secret chambers filled their slumber, they knew that even the wildest snowstorm could lead to extraordinary adventures. The blizzard quest had revealed that beneath the coldest layers of snow lay hidden treasures of warmth, mystery, and the promise of many more journeys yet to come. Thank you for joining our adventure today, dear friends. Remember, every step is a new story waiting to be told, and every dream sparkles with magic. Until our next whimsical journey, keep your hearts curious, your smiles bright, and always believe in the wonder of your own little